Good morning, students, and welcome. In the last lecture, we started this lesson 2.2, the souvenir. I told you what is souvenir. When you go some new place, you purchase some things from that place for to keep you remember that you have visited that place and you like some things from that place, and as a souvenir you purchase that, and that thing will remain in your mind that you bought that thing from that particular place. वो भी हो सकता है या कोई चीज़ आपको कोई दे दे, कुछ गिफ्ट ऐसे दे दे किसी कोई अंकल आंटी या फ्रेंड्स ने, वो हमेशा आपके यादगार के तौर पर रहेगा, आपको वो पसंदीदा होगा, तो उसे हम सोविनर कहते हैं। या कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जहाँ पे हम पहली बार विजिट किए और ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे हम कभी गए ही नहीं, ऐसे वहाँ से कुछ अपनी चीज़ लिया तो वो चीज़ आपके लिए हमेशा यादगार रहती है, तो दैट इज थिंग इज कॉल्ड एज अ सोविनर. And we were talking about the girl called Sahili who went first time to the moon sitting on the space shuttle. Space shuttle से उसने जो व्यू देखे है that is described in the first paragraph and all. Then she went, the space shuttle landed on the moon and some of the instructions were given to them for the children by the receptionist that they have to stay in the tunnel, the place allotted to them where they had to stay. एक अर्थ से रिलेटेड एक स्पेस बनाया गया था मून में, ताकि लोगों को वो अर्थ में जैसा जो फीलिंग होती है रहने के वही मून में हो, क्योंकि द ग्रेविटेशनल पुल ऑफ द अर्थ एंड द ग्रेविटेशनल पुल ऑफ द मून टोटली वेरीज, बहुत वेरी होता है। तो इसके लिए उन्हें एक ऐसी जगह सेटलमेंट किया गया था जहाँ पे वहाँ पे अर्थ जैसा ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स हो। So some instruction was given to whatever if they want to purchase, they had to purchase from the given shop, recommended shop from the same settlement, and they had to stay there. कहीं बाहर से कुछ भी नहीं खरीदना है. That was given. Now we will be proceeding from that. A jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. Okay, the program was of 3 days. 3 दिन का कार्यक्रम था मून में रहने के लिए. According to the Earth calculation, on the moon there are 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. The 3 days of the trip were going to be a part of the night time of the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day was, see what was the most important program on the first day? Sky watch, to watch the sky. On the earth it was usually foggy and the stars are seen rarely and only very faintly. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon's sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. Means when they watched from the moon, so how was the appearance? There was no atmosphere on the moon. वहाँ पे कोई atmosphere नहीं था. There was a background of the moon, स्काई, द स्टार, और जो स्टार्स जो थे वो बहुत ही ब्राइट दिख रहे थे. दे वर शाइनिंग वेरी ब्राइटली. वेयर एज ऑन अर्थ व्हाट इट हैपेंस, नॉर्मली द स्काई जो रहते फॉगी रहते, मतलब क्लाउड्स वगैरह आपको नज़र आते, एंड द स्टार्स आर वेर सीन रेयरली. स्टार्स हमें दिन में तो नज़र नहीं आते, रात को भी सब नज़र नहीं आते, थोड़े बहुत नज़र आते और इवन फेंटली. पर वहाँ से मून से वो पास होने की वजह से दे वर लुकिंग वेरी ब्राइट. The most attractive view was that of the dish of the earth. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth's sky. It was also 17 times brighter. The earth light fell on the moon. This beautiful, enchanting view made Sally and her friends ecstatic. They fell asleep feeling happy, excited and comfortable at the same time. Now the most attractive view, the जो दृश्य थे, what they were watching, the view was that of the dish of the earth. Moon से, when they were watching from the moon, the dish, the upper portion of the earth, how it was looking was very enchanting, बहुत अच्छी नज़र आता. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger. The earth क्या दिख रहा था? 13 times bigger than the moon. In the earth's sky it was also 17 times brighter. और वहाँ से बहुत ही brighter नज़र आ रहे थे. The earth light fell on the moon. अर्थ की जो लाइट है that was falling on the moon. This beautiful enchanting view made Sally and her friend very happy. They were very happy to see all that things. They fell asleep feeling happy, excited and comfortable at the same time. The second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. Okay. The first was the experience was that watching the earth from the moon. The view was that one. The second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. On the unique feature of the one unique feature of the circus was the seating arrangement. The spectators were made to sit in the tent and the circus was jumping on outside. High jumps and long jumps were the special attraction. One gymnastic jumped 27 meters high. The second day's attraction was that of circus. All the peoples, the spectators were sitting on the seating arrangement. Means sitting arrangement were made for that peoples for watching, for the spectators, and they were sitting on that in that arrangement. And the others, who were doing the circus and all, they were outside the arrangement. So it was quite easy for that people to high jumps, do the high jumps and the long jumps, and that was the special attraction. क्योंकि मैंने बताया था आउट ऑफ द सेटलमेंट्स वहाँ पे क्या है, मून का ग्रेविटेशनल पुल कम होने की वजह से वो क्या है, ऐसे लगता है इंसान ऊपर ही फ्लोट होता रहता है मून के ऊपर, वो ज़मीन पे नहीं रहता है. धरती का ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, इसीलिए इंसान जो भी चीज़ें रहती है वो धरती की तरफ आकर्षित करते हैं. एंड सो वी कैन वॉक फ्रीली ऑन द अर्थ, whereas in moon it is not so possible because our gravitational is 1/6 that of earth. So it was quite easy for the circus, for the person who are doing the circus and also gymnasts and all. So high jumps and long jumps were the special attractions. And one gymnast, it is mentioned over here, one gymnast jumped 27 meters high. On both the sides, besides the main attraction, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements there. It was expected that the students should spend some time for self-study. The teacher has assigned them the task of writing an essay on how they spent their time on the moon, which places they visited, what they observed, etc. Sally and her friends had travelled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. Thus, on both the days it is mentioned, besides the main attractions, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements. So, the rest of the day they were just visiting the various settlements. मून में तरह तरह के सेटलमेंट्स किए गए थे, उससे देखना वो उनका एक ये था, उस वक्त व्यू था. It was expected that the students should spend some time for self-study. Not only watching and all these attractions and the views and all, they were expected to do some self-study. मतलब खुद से कुछ जानने के लिए उनका एक ये भी मोटिव भी रखा गया था. And one has उनको असाइनमेंट दिया गया था, that was they had to write an essay that how they spend their time on the moon. उनको एक ऐसे दिया गया था कि ये लिखने के लिए कि किस तरह उन्होंने अपना वक्त मून में स्पेंड किया. And Sally and his friends, they were traveling far and had a lot of sightseeing. मतलब वो बहुत यहाँ वहाँ घूमते सारे नज़ारे वो देख रहे थे. And that was their what we can say, वो उनका एक टाइम था जो अपने आप को स्पेंड कर रहे थे उसमें वो. On the third day, their teacher took them to the place of historical importance. 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. Everyone was looking forward to this visit to the historical monument. It was the oldest place in the history of man on the moon. The first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land. Besides the footprint was a grand statue of Armstrong. At the base of the statue were carved the first words uttered by a man on the moon. One small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. The third day's attraction was that they were taken to a historical place which was of most important. That is, 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. आप लोगों को सबको पता होगा नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग वॉज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू लैंड ऑन द मून. तो जब उन्होंने 100 साल पहले वहाँ पे पहली कदम रखा था, वहाँ पे लोगों को जाना था. एंड दैट वॉज अ स्पेशल it had a special importance and all. Everyone was looking forward to this visit to the historical monument. तो सबके लिए ये था, दे ऑल वे लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, मतलब वो सब लोग इच्छुक थे जानने के लिए या देखने के लिए कहाँ पे नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग ने अपने कदम रखे थे. इट वॉज द ओल्डेस्ट प्लेस इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द मैन ऑन द मून. The first footprints of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moonland. उनका जो पहले कदम वहाँ पे आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग का पड़े थे, तो वहाँ का जो फुटप्रिंट्स था, उनके पैर के जो चिन्ह थे, उनको संभाल के रखा गया था, प्रिजर्व किया गया था, ताकि जब भी कोई लोग आए तो उनको दिखाया जाए. Beside the footprints was the grand statue of Armstrong. Even there was a statue of him. नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग का एक बड़ा सा स्टैचू भी बनाया गया था. At the base of the statue were carved by the first words uttered by the man on the moon. उसके नीचे लिखे गए थे बड़े बड़े शब्दों में, one small step for a moon, one giant leap for mankind. मतलब एक छोटा सा कदम लिया हुआ एक इंसान द्वारा, पर एक बड़ी सी जीत एक मैनकाइंड का. कहने के लिए छोटी सी बात, एक छोटा सा कदम बोला जाता है, बट इट इज़ अ बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर द ह्यूमन बींग्स. Okay, I am stopping here right now. In the next lecture, I will be continuing you. The remaining part of the one page is left out. So I hope you got it. First, अपना view था, you have to watch the earth from the moon. मून के उधर से अर्थ का व्यू देखना एक पहले आपका अट्रैक्शन वहाँ था बच्चों लोगों के लिए. सेकेंड अट्रैक्शन वॉज द सर्कस. And the third was that they visited the place on the moon, that is a historical place which had a historical importance, that when the Neil Armstrong had landed at the place, जहाँ पे नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग ने लैंड किया था, वहाँ जाके सब बच्चे लोग ने विजिट किया. That was the third day. और 3 days प्लानिंग उनका था, 3 दिन मून में स्टे करने का था. तो फर्स्ट डे, सेकेंड डे एंड द थर्ड डे, as it was decided, it was well done during that time. उस वक्त वो 3 जो चीज़ें उन्होंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था करने के लिए, देखने के लिए, वो सब बच्चे लोगों को दिखाया गया इस 3 दिन के दौरान. The remaining part will be explained to you next day. Bye. See you in the next lecture.